Understanding Geist boosts your IELTS vocabulary score. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to quickly understand the main point of a complex text or conversation? Today, we're exploring a word that's essential for this skill and crucial for achieving a high band score in IELTS. Geist! Word type. Geist is a noun, meaning the gist refers to the central or main idea of a piece of information, text, or speech. It's the core essence or the most important aspect of something, often summarized briefly. Word history. The word Geist has an interesting etymology. It originated in the early 18th century from Anglo-French legal terminology. It comes from the Old French word Geist, which means it lies or it consists of. This, in turn, derives from the Latin verb jacere, meaning to lie or to rest. The evolution of its meaning from a legal context to its current usage demonstrates how language adapts over time. Antonyms. Some antonyms for Geist include details, specifics, and particulars. While Geist focuses on the main idea, these words emphasize the finer points or individual elements of information. Synonyms. Synonyms for Geist include essence, core, crux, substance, and main idea. These words all convey the central or most important part of something, much like Geist does. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use Geist in various contexts. After the lengthy meeting, the manager asked for a summary that captured the gist of the discussion. Although I don't speak French fluently, I was able to get the gist of the conversation. The professor emphasized the importance of understanding the gist of the research paper before delving into its methodology. In IELTS writing, it's crucial to convey the gist of your argument in the introduction paragraph. Common errors in use. While gist is a relatively straightforward word, there are some common mistakes to avoid. One frequent error is using gist with the definite article when it's not needed. For example, saying the gist of the matter is correct, but saying the gist is that we need to act quickly is incorrect. In the second case, simply say gist is that we need to act quickly. Another mistake is confusing Geist with gist. Gist is a non-standard spelling and should be avoided in formal writing, especially in IELTS. Lastly, remember that Geist is uncountable. You wouldn't say gists in plural form. Instead, you might say the main points or the key ideas. Mastering the word Geist and using it effectively in your IELTS exam can significantly enhance your vocabulary score. It demonstrates your ability to discuss abstract concepts and summarize information concisely, both of which are valued skills at the highest band scores. Remember, the gist of using this word correctly is understanding its core meaning and applying it appropriately in various contexts.